Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling the ongoing story of COVID-19, specifically its evolution and, the vaccine situation.
Yeah, it's a lot. We've gone through quite a bit of material articles, news, even some theoretical pieces.
Exactly. And the goal here is really just to pull out the key stuff for you, try to make sense of it all without getting totally bogged down.
It's definitely a complex picture. We want to give you the important takeaways.
Okay, so let's maybe start at the beginning, or what people think might be the beginning. The origin theories. Our sources cover a few angles here.
They do. I mean, the main scientific consensus still points towards a natural jump from animals.
Yeah.
Zoonotic spillover, they call it.
Right, that's the dominant theory. But the materials we looked at also mention other possibilities being discussed. The lab leak idea comes up as another theory in some sources.
It does. It's important to see that full spectrum of what's being discussed out there, even if the evidence leans one way currently.
Definitely. But, okay, wherever it started, the virus didn't just stay put, did it? It started changing, evolving.
Oh, absolutely. That's fundamental to viruses. They replicate, make copies of themselves, and sometimes, well, mistakes happen in that copying process. Tiny errors.
Mutations.
Exactly, mutations. And sometimes these mutations lead to new versions, variants. And these variants can behave, a little differently.
Yeah, and that's been a huge part of the story. Some variants spreading faster, some maybe being a bit sneakier when it comes to our immune system.
Right. That's why tracking them is so critical. It's like this constant biological arms race almost. The virus adapts.
So naturally, that leads us to the vaccines.
Yeah.
Their development was incredibly fast.
Unprecedentedly fast. And
Yeah.
the sources highlight different kinds. You got the mRNA ones, like Pfizer and Moderna, which were kind of revolutionary.
How do those work again, basically?
Well, they essentially give your cells instructions, like a little recipe to make just a harmless